In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date and timestamps to slides in PowerPoint. This feature can be incredibly useful for keeping your presentations up to date and conveying professionalism. Let's dive in and get started with these simple steps. First, open PowerPoint on your desktop. It's crucial to have the software ready before we begin to ensure a smooth process throughout. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, you'll either want to open an existing presentation or create a new one. Feel free to add any photos, tables, or other content now if you haven't already. Having all your elements in place can give you a better idea of how the date and time will fit into your slide design. Next, navigate to the Insert tab from the menu. This tab is packed with tools and options that allow you to enhance your slides with various elements such as images, shapes, and, of course, the date and time. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the option related to your slides. Here, you'll find a checkbox labeled Date and Time. Go ahead and select it. Now, you need to decide whether you want the date to update automatically or remain fixed. Selecting Update Automatically will make your date dynamic, meaning it will change based on the current date each time you open the presentation. This choice is particularly helpful if you plan on reusing the presentation frequently and want to ensure it always reflects the current date. On the other hand, if you prefer to set a specific date and time, choose the Fixed option, which allows you to enter a precise date. Once you've made your choice between dynamic and fixed, take a moment to pick your preferred date and time format from the provided list. PowerPoint offers several styles, so select the one that best suits the look and feel of your presentation. Consistency is key, so ensure that the format aligns with your overall design. As you make these adjustments, consider whether you want the date and timestamp to appear on your title slide. You can check or uncheck the Don't Show on title slide box depending on your preference. Some people prefer a cleaner title slide without extra information, while others appreciate having that data up front. After you've configured all these settings, you have two final choices. If you want the timestamp on every slide in your presentation, click Apply to All. This action ensures uniformity across your entire deck. Conversely, if you only want to apply the stamp to the slide you're currently working on, simply click Apply. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add date and timestamps to your PowerPoint slides. Whether you're preparing for a one-off meeting or creating a deck to use multiple times, these steps will help keep your presentations both timely and professional. Thanks for joining, and happy PowerPointing!